back. Not at the Dettians, we're at the Blue Water. Hey, it's a nice day out today. So we got the boat up, you guys know. It's over there, you can kind of see it. Yeah, okay. And we're going to the hotel now. We're getting dropped at the van from a Lyft, Uber, I don't know, same thing. And then we're gonna look for a hotel. I'm packed in, guys.
Honestly, I might do that.
I'm one of the bags. This is our hotel. It's pretty nice. I'm going to juggle the GoPro and these. Ready? Set. Go. Oh! Sorry if that made you sick. Here you go, Ethan. Ready? Ready? Go! We are going to Williamsburg. And it's gonna be...
Checking out the history of our country.
Yeah. Alright guys, we just arrived in Williamsburg.
This is the visitor center. What even is that?
Cowboy coins. And we're out just like that. Pretty interesting stuff. Jeez, it's a bumpy ride, guys.
It was a grocery store and a school. After.
Oh, the Bryan house. Dang, this light post is probably so old. Dang, look at all those shoes.
Yeah, very good. How does your root beer taste? It's pretty
So
good.
good. What'd you get to drink?
Me? Everyone got root beer except Dad.
Are you happy with your choice? Ginger ale?
It's very good. Dang, I actually have it down so good. I think I'm pretty good at it.
Compton Oak tree.
This right here, guys, is a really big tree.
Well, obviously.
Oh, that rhymed. Ready? Here's my song.
We're going to a boat race and we're going to check out our boat at the Boatyard. Welcome to the 94th annual Hampton Regatta, North America's oldest continuously run hydroplane boat race.
Time to scrape some barnacles. There's so much.
They started work on the outside today, and they had to cut away quite a bit. He's doing really good work, but I think it might take him another week, longer than anticipated, so it could be potentially about 2 weeks right now that we're looking at. I got some nice marks here from the straps from being hauled out. How are you feeling about this?
Well, you know, I'm just the barnacle boy.
How are you doing? Are you sanding?
Well, I
see your
scraped
hands.
barnacles for like super long, and then I tried scraping the side so we could repaint the water line, but I did it for like a minute and my hands are so black already.
Every barnacle you scrape off makes it go